Since Angular 6 is based on RxJS 6, understanding of RxJS 6 is indispensable, especially the understanding of Observable is a bit difficult to understand. Observable is well described with stream of events and values. However, if you imagine a stream as a flow of a river, it may interfere with subsequent understanding. Because the river keeps flowing naturally, it is because it tends to be understood that defining an observable merely states that the flow is occurring. First of all, observable needs to understand that there are differences between cold observable and hot observable. In the form cold observable, flow does not occur only by defining it. On the receiver side, the flow only occurs when subscribe is executed. On the other hand, in hot observable, the flow occurs irrespective of the situation on the receiver side. This is similar to the image of a normal river. In order to clarify these differences, I tried creating an animation this time. Let's start with cold observable. Observable is a stream of events and values. However, flow has not yet occurred. That's because the receiver side, that is, the listener, is not running subscribe. The receiver has performed a subscribe about fish. Fish has come up. Here, the recipient executed unsubscribe. The flow of the fish disappeared. Next is hot observable. In the case of hot observable, the flow occurs regardless of whether the state on the river side, that is, whether subscribe is running or not. Typical examples are keyboard events and mouse events. Here, when the receiver performs subscribe, it can share the information almost at the same time. This time, we focused on the difference between cold observable and hot observable and explaining it. Thank you for watching.